Welcome to Echelon. This tutorial will show you how to assemble your Echelon Trainer Sport. The following parts will be needed to assemble your Echelon Trainer Sport. 1. Trainer Sport Unit. 2. Handlebar Rod. 3. Crank connectors times 2. 4. Front support leg. 5. Back support leg. 6. Pedals. 7. Parts pack. 8. U-shaped track. 9. Arm support. 10. Leg assembly times 2. 11. Handlebar connectors times 2. 12. Handlebars times 2. 13. Support post times 2. 14. Adjustment knob. 15. AAA batteries times 2. 16. Display. Line up back support legs with holes. Place flat washers 66 and spring washers 73 onto bolts. Hand tighten all 4 bolts. Tighten all 4 bolts with Allen wrench 79. Repeat with front support base. Place U-shaped tracks on trainer support unit. Make sure the adjustment tongue is properly seated. Place flat washer 96 onto bolt 59. Tighten down with Allen wrench 77. Repeat on the other side. Screw in adjustment knob 14 and raise to desired height by pulling the knob out. Make sure the knob clicks into place after lining with hole at desired height. Screw adjustment knob down until tight. Remove nut 62 from bolt 49. Place the left pedal on the left leg assembly and line up holes. Insert bolts. While holding bolt 49 in place, pick up pedal and screw nut 62 onto bolt until you feel resistance. Using wrench 78, tighten both nuts. Repeat steps 5 to 7 with the right pedal. Place wave washer 72 onto bolt marked L44 and screw into left leg assembly and align with crank arm. Make sure the white roller is on track. Use Allen wrench 77 to turn counterclockwise until threaded through leg assembly. Thread nut 64 and spring washer 74 onto bolt. Hold bolt in Allen wrench 77 and turn nut clockwise to tighten with wrench 78. Place wave washer 72 onto bolt marked R43 into right leg assembly. Align with crank arm and make sure the white roller is on track. Use Allen wrench 77 to turn clockwise until threaded through leg assembly. Thread nut 65 and spring washer 74. Hold bolt with Allen wrench and turn nut counterclockwise to tighten with wrench. Place bolt 48 into support post 13 and hand screw into leg assembly beneath U-shaped track. Tighten with Allen wrench 76. Repeat on the opposite side. Feed handlebar rod through the trainer support unit. center rod too so that each side has an equal length. This piece is intentionally lubricated. Do not remove grease. Insert wave washer 72 onto each side of rod. Place left and right handlebar connectors onto handlebar rod. Place spring washer 73, flat washer 67, and D-shaped washer 68 onto bolt M8 by 20. Place the bolt and washers onto the left handlebar connector and tighten. Repeat on the right handlebar connector. Tighten with Allen wrenches 79. The D-shaped washer will fit into the notch on the handlebar rod. Place left and right handlebars 12 onto handlebar connectors. Unscrew nuts 80 and remove washer 83 from bolt 72 and set aside. Feed the bolt into hole and replace the washer and nut. Use wrench 78 to tighten. Repeat with remaining bolts. Place bolt 56 through crank connector and screw into leg assembly until tight. Place bolt 47 through the crank connector and screw into the handlebar connector. Repeat on the other side. Place washer 73 and spring washer 66 onto bolt 45. Screw into extended middle upright on the training support unit and tighten with Allen wrench 79. Remove washers 83 and nut 50 from bolts. Set aside. Place bolts into arm support 9. Place curved washer on bolts and hand tighten nuts. While using a wrench to hold the nut in place, tighten both with Allen wrench 79. Make sure the curved washer sits flush against arm support while tightening bolts. Remove screws from the display with screwdriver. Place display onto bracket. Feed wire into hole and then attach it with 4 included screws using screwdriver. Connect wire from the trainer sport unit and tuck it into the display. Remove battery cover and insert AAA batteries according to polarity markings. Replace battery cover. Now your Echelon Trainer Sport is ready for use. Using the console. The reset button clears data from selected mode. To reset all stored information from previous workouts, press and hold the reset button for 4 seconds. The mode button cycles through different modes on the display. Distance displays total exercised miles. Calories displays calories burned. Odometer displays total exercised miles of all workouts. Scan cycles through all functions. Press mode to make selections. Speed is always shown on the top right of the display. The display is estimated miles per hour. The display turns off after 4 minutes on non-activity. To set up exercise goals for the time, calorie, and distance functions, select the function by pressing mode. Press Set to set your desired goal. Press down to program a countdown timer. When the countdown reaches 0, an alarm will sound. Press any button to silence. Press Set to program a countdown from a distance goal. When the countdown reaches 0, an alarm will sound. Press any button to silence. Press Set to program a countdown from a calorie goal. Press once to set your desired goal. Press and hold for 4 seconds to scroll faster. When the countdown reaches 0, an alarm will sound. Press any button to silence. Adjusting tension. The tension control knob allows you to alter the resistance of the pedals. There are 8 different levels of tension adjustment, going from 1 being the easiest to 8 being the most difficult. Incline adjustment. The incline adjustment knob allows you to alter the height of the U-shaped track. The lowest is the easiest setting, while the highest is the most difficult. To change settings, unscrew and pull out the incline adjustment knob. Raise the U-shaped track to desired setting. Be sure to always tighten the incline adjustment knob before use.